Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a high-quality Shopify store. First, let's lay a strong foundation. Begin by selecting a clear niche and a product that truly resonates with your target audience. Then, choose a visually appealing and professional theme that aligns perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. Finally, ensure your store's navigation is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for customers to find exactly what they are looking for and enjoy a seamless shopping journey. Next, focus on presenting your products in the best possible light. Always use high-resolution images and engaging videos that showcase every detail of your items. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits, not just features, helping customers envision themselves using your products. Don't forget to integrate customer reviews. They are crucial for building trust and social proof, encouraging new shoppers to make a purchase with confidence. Now, let's talk about getting eyes on your amazing store. Implement strong search engine optimization, or SEO, by using relevant keywords throughout your product titles and descriptions. Leverage the power of social media to connect with potential customers and drive traffic back to your site. Consider offering enticing promotions or discounts. These can be incredibly effective in converting browsers into loyal buyers and boosting your overall sales. Finally, a high-quality store excels in customer experience. Clearly communicate your shipping and return policies to build trust and avoid misunderstandings. Offer a variety of secure payment options, ensuring every customer can complete their purchase with ease and confidence. Remember, a smooth checkout process is key to reducing cart abandonment. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Providing excellent support will keep customers coming back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.